Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt from milk at home. Heat milk gently to 180 degrees F to denature proteins, then cool to 110 degrees F before adding starter. Stir in 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt or powdered culture per quart, pour into jars, and incubate undisturbed for 6 to 8 hours until set. Chill for at least 2 hours to firm up and enjoy plain or flavored. Bring milk slowly to 180 degrees F, stirring to prevent scorching and ensure even heat throughout the pot. This step helps produce thicker, creamier yogurt by changing the milk proteins. Once it reaches temperature, remove from heat and allow it to cool to 110 degrees F, checking with a thermometer. Cooling properly protects the starter culture so it can ferment effectively when mixed in. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple kitchen tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes and notes anywhere with a bright, glare-free screen and long battery life. It pairs nicely with cozy yogurt mornings. I added a link and other deals in the description if you want to check it out. Now let's get back to the video. When milk reaches 110 degrees F, whisk in the starter until evenly blended, then transfer to jars or a warm container for incubation. Keep the temperature steady between 105 degrees F and 115 degrees F using an oven with light, a cooler with warm water, or a yogurt maker. Avoid disturbing the jars while incubating to allow a smooth set. After 6 to 8 hours, check for tang and thickness, then refrigerate to stop fermentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.